Hello everyone, welcome back to Eyes on Excel. As you all know, I'm Nisha and I'm back with the new topic. In this video, we are going to learn to remove hyphen and apply slash in the date. You will see that we have dates like 1 January 2025 in this short date formatting. And in this, we'll learn to remove hyphen and apply slash. So our first step is to select first cell and then press Ctrl 1. And here you'll see a dialog box and we have to go to custom because we have to customize our date. And here we'll change or remove hyphen to slash one by one and then OK. And here you'll see our date format has been changed. Next, we have to change all dates format for this. If we are going to do this one by one, which is really ridiculous because we have large amount of data. So for this, we'll step the advanced level. So for the advanced level, we'll select the all dates and then press Ctrl plus 1. And here you'll see the dialog box. And if you want to learn more shortcut keys, don't miss the shortcut videos. I'll provide you in the description box and I button. Go to the custom and here you will remove hyphen to the slash and then press OK and you'll see the date format has been changed. Like this you may change dates in any required formats. For example, MMDDYY, that is month, date, and year in short form, like 01 month, 02 date, and 25 that is year, or like MMDDYYY, that is month in short, 02 day in short, 01 YY, that is 2525. Okay, or you may change it MMMDDYY, that is month in the words like February, FEB. Okay, and date is 0102 and any date, or YY, that is for years like 25, 26, 24, that. And if your required format is already in the mentioned list, so you can pick it up and apply it. That is the easiest way. Okay, I hope you all are cleared. If you face any problem, any issue, please let me know in the comment section. Please like our video and subscribe our channel for new videos. Thank you for your precious time.